Assalamualaikum guys, this is the first video of Android Studio. I am not going to go through the installation phase. I will provide a video for this later on but from now on we'll just start from creating a new project and working on some views and getting them and accessing them in our code. So let's start it. You have to start a new project. You can give it a name whatever you want to. So I have given the application name of accessing views in code, and you just have to click next. I am creating this on Android 4.4 KitKat. You can choose whatever device you want to. So I'm just click next, and I'm gonna start with an empty activity. Activity name could be as whatever label. So guys, in this video what we will do is we will create different views. First, on our activity layout we will assign them IDs through which we will access them in our code, in our Java class. So we can perform different actions. We could get inputs and do much more whatever we want to in our code. So I'm just waiting at project load. Here we are. So first of all I'm going to wait a little bit until the Gradle build running completes, so that these error will resolve this by Gradle. So I'm just going to go there in plus, and by default Android and when we create a project in Android Studio, it gives us an field with the hello world screen default. We don't want this, we want some. This is our activity, main activity, and this is our Java class activity. Our activity has two: design and text. We could access them through both, through text or through design, whatever we want, from wherever we want to. So right now it is taking too much longer than usual. I don't know why. Okay, these are dependencies are removed, and let me check. Yes, so this is the first view of our app right now, default. So right here you can see that the text view of hello world is already defaultly set by the Android Studio. We can remove it by simply clicking on it and pressing the delete key on our Android Studio. Just delete it. And now what we will do is we will create simple views or simple elements on our screen, and then we will access them on our Java class. So let me start with a large text. We'll just put it wherever you want it is set, relative layout. So by double clicking on it, what we will see is this: the text we want to set. So I will set text view or large text view, and this is the ID. This is the thing through which we are going to access this in our Java code. So for now on I will assign it T v text view and click enter. Now this is set large text view, you can see here, and the ID is set. You can set ID and text also from this side options by getting it lower and lower. we'll see here. You can set background as well, different properties, whatever you want to set here. So we have also some, this is the ID that we just assigned. You can double click and change if you want to. We don't want it right now. And we have also on click you can perform different event when the user clicks on that, but we are not really concerned with that right now. So we'll go for, this is the text what we have just given him it right there. So that's for large text field right now. And now I will just get a button, and this is the button I'm going to just and double click on it, and same button, submit. And I forget to give it ID, and so the ID is set to button. You set is to BTN. You can do you can give them whatever you want to ID or text. So right now we are not concerned with what you give. You can simply drag and drop. You can see icon in the relative layout. You can drag drop. We have different layouts also, discuss them later on, but whatever we focus right now is just accessing these. So these are other elements. These are plain text, large text, medium text, small text, button, and so on. All the text views we have, we'll go through them later on, but for right now we'll just access these two elements in our Java class. So this is the Java class, default Java class we have right now. So for accessing graphical elements in our Java class, what we need to do is to give or make type of variable like we have created here. So let me show you. This is the text view which is showing here, that text view you can see right here. So we have to create a variable of text view to access this text view in our Java class, and this is button, you can see right there. So for accessing this button you have to create a button variable. So I'm just creating text view and forget ID, but variable doesn't matter. So it is showing some error. The libraries are not imported. You just have to press alt enter and automatically libraries will. So create is the event or method which will be called whenever our application will get it run installed. So whatever we want to do when our application start, we have to do it, write it right here in this code. So first of all, what we want to do is to link this text view A and button B to our this activity main XML text view and button. So let's do this right now. A is equal to you have to cast on text view, a type of variable we are using. So text, then what we need to do is find view by ID. So that will find view by ID or dot ID. So now whatever we want to do, what we have to do is to give it the ID we want. This is there are two IDs showing right here, BTN and TV. So what we want to access is text view. We assign this ID of TV. I'll just click and semicolon. So find view by ID and or.id dot whatever ID we give to, through this portion we will access different views in our Java class. So I'll just go for button. So we cast it into button first and find view by ID or.id dot BT, and that's the simple thing we have. So guys, we are done for right now, and in our next video we will perform different action listener on these IDs and see how it works. Thank you for right now. Allah Hafiz.